Hello everybody, this is just a quick tutorial from Soup to Soup Game Tech, and I'm going to show you how to get an Xbox controller like this to hook up. If it starts blinking, how to hook it up to the Xbox One so you can reuse it on the Xbox One if the batteries in it are charged, or new batteries. So, if your Xbox controller is blinking like this, here's what you do. The Xbox will turn on, and it will boost up, and then this will start, it'll be flashing, like boom, boom, boom. And you press this button, and then this stops flashing. Okay, so you might not know there's a button on the front when it starts flashing. Once, if it's not connected, you press this button right here, then you press this right here until this flashes slower, and then you press this as you're holding that, then press that, and then it should work.